basically it's important for business because it's all good and well having a website, but then if you've got a website but it's not being found, what's the value of that? Yes, okay, your website is going to be found because obviously you might have that connected to your social media channels and things like that. But if you was to say to yourself, I just want a website, I don't want to do social media, I don't want to do any other aspects of marketing, it's getting that website to show up on Google. Obviously, Google has millions of people on there day in, day out. There's thousands of businesses, if not millions of businesses as well. And all of those businesses have their websites on Google. So it's trying to get your website to, you know, show up. It's trying to say to Google and to your audience, this is the website you need to look at because my services, my products are the ones that are going to help you. So the reason SEO is so valuable is because that's what it does. It's about getting your website found on Google. It's about, you know, when you search on Google, for example, how often do you actually go past page one? Never. You probably don't even go past the first couple. Obviously on Google, you always have ads first and then your organic searches after that. But 9 times out of 10, people don't really know they're clicking on an ad. So you may get, you know, unless you're doing Google ads, you may get stuff through that. But 9 times out of 10, you'd probably want to, you know, organically get people to your website because it's not going to have to cost you to do SEO minus time. So that is the way and the reason why you should be doing SEO is to get your website on page 1 of Google, where most people are going to be clicking through to websites. And then obviously you're going to be able to make more sales and things via that.